In today's video, I will teach you how to enhance low-light photos with AI. Let's get started. Dark, grainy, or underexposed photos can ruin the moment, especially when taken in low-light conditions like indoor parties, nighttime events, or cloudy days. But you don't need to be a professional editor to fix them. Thanks to Photor's AI photo editor, you can now enhance low-light images in just a few clicks using AI tools that intelligently balance lighting, contrast, and color. First, open your browser and go to Photor's AI photo editor. Once you're on the editor, drag and drop your image into the window, or click the Upload Image button to manually select a photo from your device. But if you want to test the effect first before using your own image, Photor offers sample images that you can use for practice. Once your image loads, look at the left side panel and switch to the AI Tabs tool. Then select the One Tap Enhance tool, and the AI will now automatically analyze and enhance your photo by improving brightness, contrast, sharpness, and color balance, especially for dark or low-light images. This process usually takes just a few seconds. Now click the Compare button at the bottom right corner of the editor to switch between the before and after versions of your photo. This allows you to visually evaluate the AI enhancements and decide whether you're satisfied with the changes. An optional but recommended step is fine-tuning the photo. If you're not completely satisfied or want more control, you can manually adjust the brightness and color settings. To do this, click on the Adjust tab on the left panel. Under the Brightness and Color section, click the Basic Adjust. And here you can adjust the brightness to lighten or darken your image manually, adjust the contrast to enhance the separation between the light and dark areas, tweak the saturation to make the colors more vibrant, and adjust the sharpness to define edges to reduce blur. When adjusting these settings, the edits will automatically apply once you switch tabs or close the dropdown. So if you're not happy with the changes, reset the parameters before moving on to the next section. Now expand the fine-tune dropdown to adjust the exposure for overall brightness across the image, highlights to lighten or darken the brightest parts, and shadows to brighten up the darkest parts of your image. And once your manual edits are complete, click the Comparison button again to ensure your image looks exactly how you want it. And if you're satisfied, click the Download button at the top right and choose your preferred file type and download your enhanced photo. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.